Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the biggest challenge in food manufacturing and how you can fix them. So let's be honest. Running a food manufacturing business isn't easy. Between tracking inventory, meeting compliance standards, and dealing with unexpected recalls, it can feel like you're constantly putting out fires. Does this sound familiar? If you're nodding along, don't worry. You're not alone. Let's talk about it. My name is Brahm. I'm the founder and CEO of Brahmin Solutions. I work with food manufacturers like you every day. I know the struggles you deal with. I've been there. Manual processes, wasted ingredients, failed audits, it adds up fast. But the good news, there's a way to fix it. And in this video, I'll walk you through the biggest challenges in food manufacturing and show you the right software can help you solve them so you can breathe a little bit easier. Okay, so let's talk about the 5 challenges that I see, the major challenges. First up is the manual processes. A lot of manufacturers are still using spreadsheets or paper to track inventory and production. And I get it, it's what you're used to, but here's the problem. Manual tracking leads to errors, you overstock, you understock, and worse, you're missing something critical during a recall. Plus, who has the time to flip through endless files just to figure out where one ingredient went? Okay, number 2, there's compliance. If you are making food, you know the rules are strict. FDA, GFSI, you name it, keeping track of batch numbers, sanitation logs, expiration dates, it's a lot. And if you miss something, failed audits, fines, worse, you could damage your reputation. Number 3, let's talk about waste. You buy ingredients, but without a clear system to track expiration dates or batch usage, some of it goes bad. That's the money, your money down the drain. And it's not just waste, it's the frustration of knowing it could have been avoided. Number 4, traceability. Imagine this, you find out that there's an issue with one of your batches. How fast can you track down exactly what products or which products are affected? If you're not sure, you're not alone. Traceability is tough without the right tools, and slow response times during like a major recall can be extremely costly. And lastly, scheduling. If you don't know where exactly what you have in stock or what's needed, production becomes a guessing game. Right? You end up overproducing some items while running out of others, and it's stressful, inefficient, and costs you a time and ton of money, and also reputation as well, right? So how do we fix all this? The answer is food production software, like Brahmin Solutions, and here's what it does. 1, you're going to know exactly what's in stock, what's about to expire, what you need to reorder. All your batch numbers, sanitation records, reports are in one place, ready for audits. You'll manage expiration dates, batches so efficiently that nothing ever gets wasted. If a recall does happen, you can quickly trace every ingredient, batch, and product. And finally, you can plan your production based on real-time data, so you're always ahead. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is show you quickly how this works in Brahmin Solutions. All right. What I'm going to do is move myself out of the way here. All right. So let's talk about the first part of it is the inventory management. Right. You have the ability to track all your inventory numbers, what you have on hand, what needs to go into production orders, what production order specifically needs how much quantity, and what's also incoming from purchase orders. All the data at your fingertips. You can also see if, what sales orders need what inventory, and if you're going to be able to fulfill them as well. So all your inventory, everything into one place. You also can reorder items ahead of time, so set up alerts. So if you're running low, the system will tell you exactly what you need to reorder. Okay. Brahmin also helps you reduce waste on manufacturing orders. You can track exactly what was consumed, and if there's any extra waste, so it compares what was estimated versus what was the actual. So you can see exactly if there was more waste, Again, just to make sure that you're efficient, your recipes are efficient, and if you need to make any changes, you can do that with the data that's provided here. Okay. Next things, it helps you with compliance and traceability. So if you are a meat processor, for example, and you need to attach compliance documents as you receive inventory, you can do that on the purchase order side, add attachments, and so that it's linked with this batch. You can also do it on the manufacturing side, on the production orders. Go ahead and add any attachments, anything that, so that again, it's linked with the finished product. Okay. And if you need a recall report or anything like that, there's the batch and expiration report. So you can pull up all your open lots right now. And for example, see exactly where a specific item went. So here I can see that it was produced and then it was also used in manufacturing and then it went to 2 different customers. Okay. So you can track exactly. So if there's ever a recall, put in the lot number or batch number, boom, you're going to be able to see exactly start to finish. Okay. Lastly, production scheduling. With real-time inventory, you know exactly what you can produce. If your production runs can happen on time because there's enough inventory. If not, it's going to tell you, if you created purchase orders, it tells you exactly when you're expecting to complete that production because that's when your raw materials are coming in. Okay. You can also see all of this data on a nice little calendar view. Again, you can filter this by operations, labor, anything. So you can see all of your productions at real time, see if you can fulfill them or not. And if not, when the materials are coming. So again, you get full real-time visibility here. Okay. All right. We're going to step back. So at the end of the day, food production software isn't just about making things easier. It's about saving time, reducing waste, and making sure your business runs smoothly. If you have been feeling overwhelmed by manual processes or compliance headaches, it's time for a change. I'd love to show you how Brahmin Solutions can work for your business. So click the link below to book a demo, and let's tackle these challenges together. Also, if you're watching this on our YouTube channel and this video has helped you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on food manufacturing. So see you next time. Thank you.